What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be making Braydon Price's truck. I have met him in real life. I met him in Richmond, VA at a pit bike show. So first off, we're going to go to paint. They might not have, it's close enough. Yeah, we'll get that one. Body. I don't think it has anything too special done to it. So this shouldn't be too expensive, actually. Let's go to suspension tuning. Yeah, tuning. We don't need to change the suspension. Well, we might as well. What we got better to do? Oh, nah, he don't got a suspension like that. He got like a normal suspension under it. Let's go to. He definitely ain't got that. Let's just go to solid axle. Same normal thing he's got. Really ain't nothing special. Kinda like, yeah, it ain't too heavy. I mean tall. Heavy. I'm retarded. Mental. Stupid. Oh, okay, we gotta do that. Now let's go to wheels and tires. I know he does not put new tires on his truck yesterday. Not new tires, they're kind of like he had freaking big, the big rim, no tire tires. Okay, yeah, front and back are the same size, right? 1.2. And rear is 1.3, same difference. Actually, no. There y'all go. Wheel radius. No, they look kind of normal, so that's 1.1, and we'll do that. Wheel width. Do these that. That right there is actually perfect. I have no clue what that does, actually, so we're not gonna even mess with that. Let's go to this right here. Nope, wrong thing. Let's go to power and stuff like that now. Upgrades. Wrong freaking thing. Tuning. Yeah, tuning. No. What in the world? I clicked on upgrades. Gotta wait. Yeah, his is a diesel. And turbo, yeah, sure, why not? Let's do turbo. Alright, so I think this is a Denali like his. So, just to make it Braydon Bryce, we are going to take that. Oh crap. Okay, yeah, there we go, right here. We're gonna load that on our trailer. It's a video that comes out before this one. Are you freaking kidding me? Go over here to this. Go into a multiplayer, free roam. Sure, why not this one? We're going to test this bad boy out. Who put the side by side on back? Cause you know it ain't Braydon Price. Let's put side by side on back. Got one thing. I'm an idiot. Insert hat flick. Oh, I love it when there's 6,200 ads. Alright, so let's go to customize rims. Yeah, that right there. That's good. I like that. No beadlocks. That right there. That looks good. Alright, so there we go. That looks better. Alright, let's unhook the trailer. Like to know what's up, but you guys been looking out like this. Alright, tell me if y'all think it looks clean, or retarded, or stupid. Up to y'all, I guess. All 14 of y'all. Let's take a picture. There we go. Okay. YouTubers exposing their secrets, volume 2. There we go. Looks great. Just had a good picture of Ray because I really like that. Return the vehicle, and let's try some flexing right here. I'm probably gonna sell this because I'm gonna pay it. Yeah, I think I'll sell this. If I could wear it. Let's get out of here and let's go to back to here and let's see how much we can sell this thing for. I'm gonna say 42,300. Oh my god.
Touch me. Experience.
That's retarded. Okay. So let's see how much we can sell this for. Sell truck. Ooh, 50 grand. Yeah. Why the heck not? I will see y'all on the flip side. Adios. Please like and subscribe.